See? Okay, so remember this is the cerebral hemisphere. And when you get down here, you can see this first gyrus. See this first ridge right here? That's called the cingulated gyrus. Below that, this track right here is called the corpus callosum. And if I were to separate the corpus callosum from the fornix, you would see the lateral ventricle. So, and there's the lateral ventricle. Cingulated gyrus, corpus callosum, fornix, lateral ventricle. Now below the fornix, you can see this rounded area. Isn't it beautiful? What a beautiful brain. That's the thalamus. Look, you even have the intermediate mass of the thalamus, which I rarely can pin. But anyway, that's the thalamus. Below the thalamus is the hypothalamus, and there you can see the optic chiasma. Now the midbrain, this is midbrain region here, contains the corpus callosum, contains the corpora quadgemina, and that means 4 bodies. So you have 2 here and 2 on the other side, right? Here, sorry. Then you have 2 here and 2 here. So that's the superior colliculus, that's the inferior colliculus. So that's part of the midbrain, this whole area here. Now when CSF flows from the lateral ventricles, it flows around the 3rd ventricle, down the cerebral aqueduct, that's the cerebral aqueduct, to the 4th ventricle. So there's the 4th ventricle. There's the cerebellum, there's the arbor vitae of the cerebellum, which would be the white tissue. Kind of hard to tell, but it's right there. Now, that's the cerebellum. But where's the rest of the brainstem? So remember, the brainstem is the midbrain, the first bump is the pons, and the second bump is the medulla oblongata. CSF, when it flows from the 4th ventricle, flows down this central canal of the spinal cord. It's not very pronounced here, but you can kind of see the groove. Can you kind of see the groove where it goes right here? Oh, here. Better here. There's the groove. Okay? And that's it. Not that much.